Stressful game got you off balance? Win or lose, competing can take a lot out of us. I'm Curtis Smith, and in this meditation, we'll calm your energy so you can move more relaxed throughout your day after a tough game. Now, take a few seconds to let go of stressful thoughts, and instead connect to the feeling of gratitude you feel for the sport and for the opportunity to compete. What do you like about it? You can also connect to the gratitude you feel for your teammates and the connections and bonds that make it all worth it, regardless of the score. Just tune into these feelings of gratitude. Well done. You can keep going for as long as you want. There is no such thing as too much gratitude. But if you're ready, open your eyes and go about your day remembering that sports are so much more important than wins and losses.